So on a roof today, I want to give you guys a helpful tip. So whenever you have any kind of leaks coming into your house and you know it's from a roof penetration, make sure it's sealed up the proper way. Take a look at this one. So this vent pipe is obviously up here. I believe it's because at some point in the past, new shingles been put on this roof because this neighborhood was installed with all 3 tab, now we're architectural. So whenever they peeled up this flashing, they put it back down with these screws, but they did not seal them. So, and you can see here how much play is there and how much movement we have in the old ones. So this is going to cause a future leak. Make sure you get these guys sealed up correctly. Also, in this penetration, you'll see that the sealer is losing its grip there on the boot, and it has caused water intrusion into the dining room on the ceiling. So this needs to be sealed up as well. Keep an eye on your roof.